Hi, it's Wenza team here. We are a metal cutting tool manufacturer. We specialize on cutting insets made of carbide, CBN, PCD and ceramics. I bet you can't imagine CNC machining without these ones. And today we'll tell you more about our CBN insets. Let's start from advantages of CBN as a material. Firstly, it's one of the hardest materials known, second only to diamond. This hardness provides excellent wear resistance, making CBN insets suitable for cutting hard materials including hardened steels and cast irons. That's why our customers from metallurgy and heavy engineering really love it. Secondly, CBN insets typically have a longer tool life compared to carbide insets, for example. This leads to reduced tool changeovers and increased overall productivity. Thirdly, the use of CBN insets often results in superior surface finishes on the machined workpiece. Some of our customers use the same CBN inset both for roughing and finishing operations, achieving precise results. And this leads us to the next advantage, which is cost savings. Although CBN insets may have a high initial cost, in the long run it pays off, especially in high-volume productions. So, in total, we get a cutting tool that enables consistent performance on various materials and operations, including turning, milling and boring, has long tool life and suitable for most industries from oil and gas, aerospace and pipe rolling to automotive and bearings manufacturing, as well as metallurgy and heavy engineering. Now a bit more specifics about Wenza's particular grades. We have 5 basic grades of CBN insets. Number 1. Rockwell cane. It's designed for high-speed machining of cast irons, hard materials, hardened steels, and it gives excellent results both during heavy interrupted and continuous turning operations. Number 2. Rockwell hard. This one is more suitable for hardened steels with hardness range 55 to 63 HRC on semi-finishing and finishing operations at medium cutting speeds. It's the first choice for machining such parts as gears, for example. Number 3. Rockwell high speed. Oh boy, you have to see this one in action. As it's clear from the name, this grade is perfect for high-speed machining. The cutting speed here is up to 280 meters per minute on ISO H group materials up to 65 HRC. Number 4. Rockwell base. Take this one for your finishing operations and get amazing surface finish on your hardened steels. And it works both with and without coolant supply. And number 5. Rockwell base 1, as people say, slowly but surely. This grade is most efficient for medium and low-speed machining of hardened steels in continuous finishing operations. If you are not sure which one suits you best, let us know in the comments. We've tested all these 5 grades on hundreds of factories around the world and can proudly say that Wenza manufactures efficient products that equals and outstands the leaders of the global market. Just have a look at these test trials and read our LinkedIn page. And before you ask yourselves, are they even real? They don't look like a production. We'll prove you wrong and tell you about our production process. Let's go! There are several stages of our production process. We start from input control of raw materials. These are powders of different materials. We have our own recipes for each grade and do a lot of R&D work in order to develop new grades. Then goes mass preparation or simply mixing. And this mass of super hard material is put into a high-pressure machine for synthesis. After that, our specialists check on cutting characteristics of the material and the blanks, as we call it, further go to erosion and laser cutting. Next comes brazing in vacuum furnace, and we're almost there. Pre-final stages of grinding and honing are of great importance because without it, the tools simply won't work as expected. Then some insets go through the coating process that improves some of the working properties. Last but not least, our QA department checks the final products. Actually, we are a bit crazy about technical control and averagely each inset is checked 18 times during our production process. That's why you can be totally sure that you get only solid working tools without any manufacturing defects. You already want to try Wenza tools out? We totally get you. You can fill in the form on our website wenza.tech, drop us an email, or simply leave a comment under this video and we'll contact you shortly. That's all for today, and follow for more. Bye bye!